Hello, this is my first YouTube video and I've created a new loom band technique called Dragon Tail. It looks like this. You will need two sets of colour. The outer bands, which in this case are orange, or the one I'm going to do, green, and the inner bands, which you can choose if you want to do it one colour or rainbow. It looks better in rainbow because it looks like scales are coming in the middle of a dragon. So, you should do this after you've done fishtail because in order to do this, you'll need to learn fishtail. So, once you've got your bands all set up like this, you don't need to make it exact setup like this because if you're about 8, 9 or 10, you will need like 7 colours in the rainbow, 2 sets of them. If you're older than that, you'll need 10 sets of colour. So, once you've done that, you go like this. Get your outer colour, and put it like this in an 8 or X shape. Then put another band on, but don't put it in the X. So it looks like this. Yeah? Then put one of your inner bands and place it on the top. So it has X, outer colour, inner colour. Then you drag one of the sides of the X and place it in the middle. Do the same with the other side. You'll have to separate these because there will have to be a middle band, unlike fishtail. Like this. You should do this with your outer colour, even though it might sound weird because the inner band is the colours, but this is how you're supposed to do it. But don't make it an X, so it should look loose. Then take one of your coloured side inner bands to one side, so it looks like this. Then take the bottom, and place it in there. Then you take both of the coloured inner bands to the other side. Then do the same thing. Then take your inner band and put it on the other side, so it looks like this. Then put it down and put one of your outer bands, then one of your inner bands. Yeah, this. Then take the 2 bottom ones and put them on the top. So, it should look like this. Then, put them like this again and put one in the middle. But don't put one more band on before doing this. Just put straight in the middle. Then, make them all go down because you'll need space to do this. So, you take your inner band and put it to one side. Then put the bottom band in. Then take both of your inner bands and put them on the other side. Then take your bottom band and put it in. So it should look a bit like this. Don't worry if you can't see the pattern coming through yet. It needs to be big for you to actually see the pattern. So if it's like this, don't worry and don't start again because this is how it's supposed to look. Then put it down, yeah, like this. Then put one of your outer bands and another of your inner bands. Then put the 2 bottom ones and put them in. I think you should start to be getting the pattern right now. I'll do it 3 more times, then we'll fast forward it to the end. So, you go in the middle. Then you take the coloured band and put it to one side. Then you take the outer band and put it in. Take the inner bands and put them onto one side. Take the bottom outer band and put it in. So it should look a bit like this. Oh, what's happened with this? Then you put them down and put one more and put